Finding files, apps, or settings doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, we'll show you how to use Windows Search effectively and save time. Windows Search is right at your fingertips. Use the search bar in the taskbar or press Windows S to get started. To find a file, type its name in the search bar. Use filters like documents or images to narrow down your search. Looking for an app? Just type its name. For example, type Word to launch Microsoft Word instantly. Did you know? Windows Search also integrates with the web. Type queries like Weather Today for instant answers. Master advanced search techniques using keywords. For example, type kind document to find all documents or modified last week for recently edited files. Use keyboard shortcuts like Windows S or Control-E to open Search quickly and boost your productivity. And there you have it. With these tips, you can navigate your PC like a pro. For more Windows tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.